We are live! Happy Tuesday, everybody! Sobrang
Day.
aga naming nag-live
Aga-aga.
today. Yes, but we have a very special guest today and we are very grateful kasi nabigyan niya kami ng kahit konting time niya today despite her busy and hectic schedule. So
Grabe.
another successful business owner na naman ang guest natin today. So I'll let her introduce herself later on. But by the way, if this is your first time seeing us, hello everybody. My name is Janea Faildog. I'm coming to you live from Ontario, Canada, and I have here Liz. Liz, go ahead.
Hi guys, my name is Liz, coming to you live here in Phoenix, Arizona. How's my fellow nurses out there? And yes, it's a beautiful day today. I'm glad we're also early today because it is my son's birthday today. So yeah, after this I need to go back cooking and baking. So yeah, let's do it.
For sure, for sure. Happy birthday sa iyong firstborn. Tama ba? Firstborn?
Yes, opo. Birthday niya
Yeah, yeah,
today.
yeah. For sure. So yeah, so if you're a fellow parent katulad ni Liz na alam mo yon, syempre mga milestone, gusto nating i-witness ang milestone ng mga anak ninyo. Since I'm not yet a parent, mga anak ninyo, definite pero maybe you are busy with your work tapos nami-miss niyo yung mga milestone na ganyan. Definitely you check it out yung itong business na ina-offer namin because this is a perfect business for busy parents like Liz. Liz, if you don't know her, of course, part-time nurse siya. So by profession, she's a nurse and at the same time, she's also a single parent. So you know how busy ang trabaho, ang schedule ng mga katulad ni Liz na parents. So if you can relate to her and you're really looking for something na makakatulong sa'yo to earn extra money without really sacrificing your time para sa iyong kids, sa family, definitely this is worth checking out, right?
Yes.
So, without further ado, let's introduce our very special guest today, Coach Joy Lenting. Hello, Coach Joy.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you, Coach Jania. Hello, guys, and thank you, Sis Liz, for inviting me here. So, hi, guys.
Really.
Sa lahat po na hindi nakakilala, of course, hindi pa nakakilala. So, guys, my name is Joy. I'm coming live here from Texas, USA. Yes, Arizona. Akala ko, sis, Canada ka. So,
Kapit-bahay lang
pala po
tayo.
yung US. So,
Correct.
originally, I'm from Davao, Philippines. Yes, guys. Hello.
Yeah, for sure. So that's how global this business is because as you can see, our two ladies here from Arizona and si Coach Joy is taga Texas siya. So iba-iba kami ng time zone. Actually kanina, Coach Joy, ma-share ko lang. Liz, message me na parang 3 p.m. CST ang sabi niya. So sabi ko, ano ba yung CST? Gulong-gulo na ako na daming time zone. Sabi ko gano'n. Tapos sinearch ko pa, taga saan nga ba tong si Coach Joy? Akala ko taga California ka. And then, ang nangyari pala, ang nakita ko is parang yung cheque mo yata or yung parang bonus mo na recently na na-receive na pinost mo. Tapos nakita ko
Yeah.
Los Angeles, California. So, ayun. So, ganon ka-global itong business na to because, if you don't know, guys, this is our first time actually. We're not related na, alam mo yun, na magkakala kami in person and all. And also, Coach Joy, this is our first time na parang nakausap ko talaga siya and itong live interview na to. But we have been in the same community for 2 years na. Tama, Coach Joy? Para itong
Yes,
2021.
yes.
Yeah. So we've somehow known each other pero hindi talaga yung ganun na in person na nag-uusap. And we are lucky kasi yun yung isa sa pinakagusto ko, yung maka-establish ka ng friendship tsaka ng connection outside Canada, of course, outside Canada and outside your profession, right?
Right.
So thank you again, Coach Joy, for giving us a bit of your time today, to share us your business journey. So I'll go ahead and give you the floor, Coach Joy. Introduce yourself and maybe share a bit of your story. Kung nagtatrabaho ka pa ba or anong trabaho mo before. Go ahead, Coach Joy.
So hello guys. Yes, I'm doing this business for almost 3 years now. This month to be exact, April 21, I will be 3 years. Yeah, and prior to this business, I used to work 2 jobs. I work in the restaurant wiping tables. working in the mall selling jewelries at the same time. So I used to work 13 hours a day. And but because of this business, I was able to fire my boss. Now I'm doing this business full time. Yeah.
For sure, for sure. Yeah, so if you're a fellow employee na nakaka-relate kay Sis Joy sa background niya before, and you have this goal na gusto ko maging boss-free in the next couple of years, hindi imposible yan. Tama? Kasi nagawa ni Coach Joy, and alam ko na marami ring nakagawa ng mga business owners na maging boss-free sila, and they have their own, schedule na right now. So, kumusta naman ang pagiging boss-free, Coach Joy?
Oh my God. Amazing. Like, alam mo yun, ang sarap kayo matulog, no? So, there's no more alarm clock to wake you up in the morning. There is the rushing to go to work. So, I can now enjoy my coffee na hindi ko na-enjoy before. Always rushing every time. And it's really amazing. Like, you can... Now, I work at my own terms, at my own pace. You know, it's just amazing.
Correct, correct. Sis Liz, you want to add something?
Ay nako, Sis Joy, hindi pa kami magkakilala personally, pero lagi ako nanonood sa kanya. Kaya alam ko nang mariregalo ko sa this Christmas. Maraming kape, tsaka maraming coffee mugs.
Laging nagkakape, no?
For sure. Yeah. So I know that if you're an employee like us, lahat kami nagdumaan, katulad ni Coach Joy, dumaan sa pagiging employee. And it's not your parang hindi pa yan yung end point, diba? Na hanggang 65 ka, magtatrabaho ka. There's more and you deserve more. So if you're curious kung ano itong ginagawa na business namin, this is a legitimate business, by the way. So we are here in front of everyone, and we are confident to tell everyone that this is a legitimate business, right? So, salamat, Coach Joy, for sharing a bit of your story. So, we'll proceed with the questions. We have prepared 4 questions lang. So, first question, Coach Joy, Liz.
What was your turning point that made you decide to start the online business?
Wow. So, like life before, it's so hard, like it's so difficult. I work 2 jobs, and sabi ko nga, pinakasalan ko na yung trabaho ko, pero I lost time with my husband. I feel like we become strangers at our own home. Our communication was reduced to text messages due to our conflicting schedules. And sabi ko, bakit ganun? After pinakasalan ko na, nandito na ako, pero pagkadating ng sauran, still nothing. Like we're still ending broke, no money, like still living paycheck to paycheck with no savings left in our bank. And sabi ko ganyan, there's something like I need to do something. Like sabi ko I need to find a way. Kasi parang na-remember ko talaga yun, like not even one time, but na-remember ko isang araw, like I was driving home, I was lowest part of my life na parang umiiyak ako. Alam mo yung tigil luha? Ang ganda pa ng music. So, sabi kong ganyan, parang na-stress ako, parang I was looking a way out, but how? I have no choice. I have to taking care of my family back home. So, but again, yun na yung sabi ko nga, parang I give all my worries to God, ask to heal our finances, at yun nga yung laging kaya nga nung nakita ko yung live ni Coach Dave, sabi ko, oh my God, sobra talagang iiyak ba na naman ulit ako? Kasi yung sabi niya na, when you ask God to heal your finances or for a solution, He will give a divine appointment. You take action, right? And that's what I did. So, lagi kong sinasabi ito, whenever I ask God, like about to help our finances, I always like mag-browse ako, meron akong ads makikita, pero hindi ko nga pinapansin yun dati. Sabi ko nga, meron talagang, dapat nga yung coach ko, hindi yung coach ko ngayon kasi iba yun. Alam mo bang blinak ko yun? O diba, ganun ka skeptical before. Pero ako, sana lang hindi niya ako maalala, please. So, yeah. So, sabi ko, kasi it's too good to be true. Ganyan. So, sabi ko, bakit ganyan? Bakit ito, tuwing nagdadasal ako, yun pala, dinidinig na ng Panginoon yung panalangin ko long time ago. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko siya green up right away. So, sabi ko ganyan. Yeah, so I said, okay, let's give this a try. Kasi bakit na dumadami sila ng dumadami? So, yun. Nagkaroon ako ng chance, pinanood ko yung yung video na yun, yung nag-sign in ako, nanood ako ng webinar, then boom. Long story short, this is me today.
Yeah,
Ah.
for sure. I love what you said about divine appointment kasi definitely wala naman talagang accidents, right? Kung
Right.
nasaan tayo ngayon, kung nasaan si Liz, nasaan si Coach Joy, everything has a reason and God put us sa mga situation na yan, right? So, if katulad ka ni Coach Joy, you're watching right now, naaalala ko yung sinabi ni Coach Joy sa isang live niya, hindi mo kami papanoorin at hindi mo pinapanood tong video na to if you're not looking for a solution. Right? So, sabi sa'yo, nanonood din ako sa'yo, Coach Joy, ng mga live mo. So,
Thank
I
you.
will always remember that kasi tama if you keep on skipping yung mga napapanood mong mga video because ang nasa utak mo is parang scam na. Kumbaga close na yung utak mo na, hindi, minarkahan mo na, scam yan. Kung ganun ang mindset mo, pero you are really looking for a solution, pero yun ang binibigay sa'yo, pinapakita sa'yo talaga, nililid ka dun sa direction na yun, then maybe it's time for you to check it out. Right? Kasi free naman na i-check, di ba? Free naman na i-check yung information na mag-sign up ka. We offer a free webinar, which is, by the way, segue, merong live free webinar later at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So kung napanood mo to, dumaan tong live na to sa feed mo, definitely grab that opportunity kasi baka ito na yung binibigay sa'yo na solution. Right? Kasi pareho kami ni Coach Joy na in-skip ko ng ilang beses. Ako, honestly, kay Coach Katrina dapat ako.
Yeah.
Pero, in-skip ko ng in-skip.
Alam ko yung story mo, sis. O, di ba, nanonood ako sa'yo, no? Alam mo, ikaw lang, ha?
Salamat. So, in-skip ko siya na in-skip hanggang sa 8 months. 8 months after.
Wow.
Imagine that. 8 months after. Nakita ko na naman yung same na opportunity. So, sabi ko, i-check ko nga. Kasi na-curious na ako And if I may share din, meron akong isang business partner na 7 years ago niya pang nakita. And ang pinaka nakita niya originally, kung sino nag-start nitong na to, Sis Joy.
Seriously?
Yes.
Oh my
And
God.
then, 7 years after, nakita niya yung video ko, that's the time na nagkaroon na siya ng courage na i-check it out. Hi nga pala kay Sis, ano pa nga nito? Kay Padam na nasa Alberta, yung accountant na business partner namin. So, yun. So, ganun yung mga story. So, if you're watching this, maybe this is a sign for you to, further check it out. Liz?
Katulad nga ng sabi ni Sis Joy, habang binibilang niya yung mga cheque tsaka yung mga sobre niya araw-araw, kung hindi totoo tong business na to, o bakit siya may ganyan, di ba? So, nasa sa'yo na lang yon, di ba? Kung hindi totoo to, di ba? So, tingnan mo naman si Sis Joy, ay nako, talagang dapat i-try. Hindi ko na maalala kung sino yung mga napanood ko before, pero si Coach Janay lang talaga nagmarka sa akin. Hindi ko alam, talagang divine appointment.
Correct. Everything has
it's not by an accident. Yeah.
Correct. Thank you, Coach Joy, for sharing that story. I've known Coach Joy for quite some time, pero hindi ko alam na ganun pala yung pinagdaanan mo din na, alam mo yun, yung 13 hours na pagtatrabaho. Though I remember clearly, nag-live ka din one time, and you said specifically na nagkaroon kayo na parang loss of communication ng husband mo. To the point na wala nang something na I remember that live. So, yeah, if you're parang bagong couple or siguro yung tipong couple na wala pang family and all, tas nandun kayo sa moment na bumubuo pa lang kayo ng family, pero you want to start a family, pero you want na maging financial stable muna, definitely this is worth checking out kasi alam ko na mga kapwa millennials out there, maraming makakarelate sa story ni Coach Joy. So,
yes.
Moving on to our second question. So, nasabi mo kanina, Coach Joy, na di ba ang nasa utak mo is skeptical ka, scam ka, tapos hanggang sa you took the courage na mag-proceed sa next step. Paano mo na-overcome yung fear at yung mindset mo na scam to? Paano mo yan na-overcome yung fear na yun?
So, okay. So, yun ngayon, lagi akong nagdadasal and every time makikita na naman mga ads. So, sabi ko, until pinanood ko na yung video, nag-register ako right away. This time, nag-register ako right away. And sa ads kasi, sabing ganyan, all you have to do, if you're interested, just reach out, register your name, email address para ma-access yung free webinar link. So, yun ang ginawa ko. And then I watched the webinar, the free webinar. It's a zero cost. Like I watch it right away. And after watching, I realized that the business is for me. So nagustuhan ko kaagad. But again, just many of you guys, I had doubts too. Because sabi
Yeah.
ko nga ganyan, wala akong business experience prior, hindi ako tech savvy, hindi ako magaling sa English. So I don't know if I had what it takes to become successful. All I have is my willingness to learn and grow. But again, what I found is that this business is nandyan na ang system. The proven system is already there. It's already in place for you. It's already there to work in your back ends. All you have to do is to connect yourself in the system and let the system do the hard work for you. So doon talaga ako nagkaroon ng courage. Tapos napanood ko yun. Sabi ko, if they can do it, so can I. Ano bang meron sa kanila na wala sa akin? Because noong na-add na ako sa group natin, nakita ko the everyday normal people just like you and me, guys. Like full-time parent, working their jobs. They're just like me. And like us, actually. And then they are rocking the business at the same time.
Correct.
So sabi ko, okay, if they can do it, kaya ko rin to. And again, binalikan ko, sabi ko ganyan, if I'm not gonna do something, then ano man yung struggle ko ngayon, mananatili ako dito. So I have to do something. So I take the chance. Yeah.
Correct. Sis Liz, do you want to say something?
Tama yung sabi niya kasi talagang mahirap talaga, 'di ba? Skeptical ka sa umpisa, pero yun naman yung laging talagang yun ang laging message ni Sis Joy sa lahat ng mga go live niya na you have to take risk kasi kung wala naman talagang mangyayari, kung ano yung sitwasyon mo, yan pa rin ang sitwasyon mo. Kung manonood ka sa kanya at like ka lang manonood sa kanya, hindi ka naman nag-sign up, hindi ka naman nagte-take action, ganyan ka pa rin. Tignan mo na lang lagi yung mga check niya araw-araw. Ganyan ka pa rin. Bukas ganyan ka pa rin.
Correct. So I remember yung isa sabi ni Coach Chris McCallum nung nag-live din siya dito sa amin. Sabi niya, being skeptical is part of intelligence. Kasi, which is tama naman, di ba? Kaya nga tayo may mga kahit papaano, hindi naman tayo no read, no write, di ba? Ng mga tao. So, we can read, we can somehow understand English, and we know Google, di ba? So, you can do your research, di ba? That's always what we are encouraging people, to do your due diligence kasi hindi ka naman namin nililimit na, ay, huwag ka mag-research. Kapag ganun yung offer sa'yo, yun yung scam, right? Pero kung binibigay namin is step-by-step na process, and katulad nga ng sabi ni Coach Joy, meron ng system Kumbaga, nakalatag na yung system. Ikaw na lang ang kailangan tatakbo na ang business. Right?
That's true.
Let the system work for you. Especially nowadays na ang dami ng AI, ang dami-dami ng, di ba, mga bago na ng mga nade-develop. And hindi naman madaling-madali. Siyempre, may mga challenges tayong pagdadaanan. Any legitimate business, kahit sari-sari store yan, may mga challenges kang pagdadaanan because it's part of it. Right? Pero meron na tayong technology behind our back na kahit papano makakatulong para mas gumaan yung pagpapatakbo ng business. But at the end of the day, tama yung sinabi ni Coach Joy na you need to start now. You need to take action. Kasi kung nakikita niyo lang na pinapanood mo lang siya, nanonood ka lang, naiinggit ka lang sa mga cheque di ba, napapasana all ka na sa mga cheque na nakikita mo, kasi nasabi mo na too good to be true yan, blah, 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 nasisinisiraan mo na to the point yung mga nakikita mo ng mga business owners, you stop that. Kasi whatever you are in right now, tama yung sinabi ni Sis Liz, hindi magbabago yun kung wala kang gagawin. Right? So, thank you, Coach Joy. So, next question would be, Sis Liz?
What advice would you give to someone who's hesitant to start the business? May follow-up question ako mamaya, nakita ko sa Go Live mo. Sige, yan na muna.
Okay, so sa lahat, guys, lahat po tayo skeptical talaga at the beginning. Even myself, sabi ko nga, I don't know if I had what it takes to become successful. Pero again, sinasabi kong ganyan, kung hindi ko to isusubukan, paano ko malalaman? 'Di ba? So guys, sa lahat na sa inyo na meron kayong gusto, may nakita kayong potential sa business, nakita niyo na itong business na ito is maybe the vehicle ninyo
Mhm.
para ma-achieve ninyong goal nyo. Kasi wala naman kayo dito nga na nanonood kay Coach Jania, kay Sis Liz, or maybe nag-register kayo kung wala kayong eagerness, kung wala kayong kumbaga parang naghahanap din kayo ng solution just like us. Kasi the moment you stop to our ad, nakita mo yun, pinanood mo, may nakita kang potential. So, bakit you still sitting on the fence? Right? So, guys, success loves speed. So, kung sasabihin mo ngayon, maybe tomorrow is too late. Maybe you start now because that way, nag-start ka na magtanim, bukas aani ka na lang. So, kailan ka pa mag-aani?
Correct.
Diba?
Correct.
So, yes, hindi namin ipapakita yung mukha namin sa social media if we are not legitimate people. We are proud to show our faces here because we are genuine people getting massive results in online. You will get a tax slip at the end of the year. So, paano ka ba mabibigyan ng tax slip kung hindi ito legitimate? 'Di ba?
Correct.
Magbabayad tayo ng income sa mga income natin dito, magbabayad tayo ng tax sa government. That's part of our life here. Kahit nga sa trabaho natin, 'di ba? Kahit kunti na lang ang tinitake out natin na salary because we are paying tax. So, ganun din ang business. So, kung hesitant kayo na this is too good to be true, that's impossible making that much, bakit hindi niyo subukan? Para one day, ganun din yung kayo na mismo makasagot sa mga doubts na 'yun. Kasi kung hanggang dyan na lang kayo na laging that's too impossible or I really want to do it but I'm skeptical. So kung ano man yung struggle mo, meron ikaw ngayon, ikaw lang nakakaalam niyan. You will live in the same cycle of life. Kung wala kang gagawin, you will get stuck in the same circumstances. So take the leap of faith. Maybe pala itong business na ito na pala ang solusyon na matagal mo nang hinihintay. So open your door. So give yourself a chance. So if we can do it, so can you, right?
Sure, for sure. Sis Liz, you have follow-up question kay Coach Joy?
Natatawa ako kay Sis Joy, which is totoo kaya talagang shinare ko sa page ko. Kasi sabi niya, which I want to know more of your comments, Sis Joy, na may mga gustong mag-start ng business na to, pero ayaw mamuhunan. Pero lagi nga niya sinasabi din sa Go Live niya, kahit nga fishball, kahit nga kamote Q, kahit stick, di ba? Magbibili ka niya, di ba? Kailangan mag-start ka, may puhunan ka. And lalo pa kaya tong business na to. So, natawa ako dun sa comment mo. Mag-open ka ng tindahan, walang puhunan. Di mag-open ka, sige, openan mo.
What's your take on that, Coach Joy? Yung mga nagsasabi na, alam mo yon, siguro yung iba mga parang mga namarkahan na nila tong business na to na ayaw nila na talagang i-start tong business na to because maybe struggling sila sa startup cost. What can you say about it?
So guys, again, lahat ng business, anumang klaseng business meron ikaw, that's impossible na you start it with nothing, na hindi ka naglabas ng investment cost. Kaya nga business kasi merong money involved. If there is no money involved, that is not a business, that is a job. You are only paying by salary. That's why kahit magtumbling-tumbling ka dyan, you do multitasking. If you're just paying 15 per hour, hindi magta-times 10 or times 2 yun. You're still paying the same per hour, right? But in the business, the more you put effort, the more you will get results. That's why like the business, it will make you a fortune. Your job, it will make you a living. So mamili ka na lang, saan ba fortune or living, di ba? So again, sa lahat ng sa inyo guys na kung halimbawa is skeptical, meron pala tong money involved and sabi mo ganyan na I don't have money to start like that or blah blah blah. Actually, you have money. Right? Makapagbili ka nga ng luho, without second thought, right?
Correct.
Ano pa kaya ito, luho to for your future, for your family. Kung hindi mo man ito gagawin para sa sarili mo, para na lang sa future mo, sa mga anak mo, or maybe it's time to give back your aging parent who's sacrificing everything just to give you a better life. 'Di ba? Gagawin mo na lang para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Kasi kung sabihin mong ganyan din na like ayoko mamuhunan, wala akong pera, ganitong ganyan. if there is will, there is way. Sino bang nagsimula dito na mayaman? Kaya nga nandito kasi naghahanap ng solusyon.
Mm.
So, di ba? Ngayon, kung hindi nyo gagawa ng paraan, so gano'n na lang din ang buhay ninyo. Ikaw lang nakakaalam ng struggle mo. Maybe sabihin natin, oh, ang ganda-ganda ng mga picture natin or mga post sa Facebook. Ano, pang Facebook lang ba ang buhay natin? But tayo lang nakakaalam ng sariling struggle natin, yung ng sariling battle natin, right? So, do something, not maybe kung okay ka na sa buhay mo, but maybe because of your children, na ang dami mo nang na-miss na mga milestone, kasi you have to be at work, you have to make money. But do you really think happy yung mga anak natin? No, right? So, sabi ko nga, if there is will, there is way. So, mahahanapan ng paraan.
Correct. For sure. I love what she said na kung luho nga, 'di ba, parang ang bilis-bilis nating bumili, maglabas ng pera. And you know, in this business, lahat ng nag-start, tama si Coach Jay, lahat ng nag-start, nag-struggle sa budget, nag-struggle sa money. Kaya nga tayo para-parehong naghahanap ng solusyon to earn extra money, right? So not everyone who started this business is merong pang puhunan, right?
Tama.
But you need to open your eyes and you need to open your mind kasi kaya nga namin ino-offer to step by step, right? We are here para ilatag lahat ng option na meron ka based on your current financial situation. If you're hesitant, maybe because you don't have money for the startup cost, definitely we acknowledge that. Pero hindi enough na i-acknowledge. Kandito kami para i-present sa'yo lahat ng options. Kasi I know, Coach Joy, that you're also doing, di ba, coaching calls na din. And hindi naman nag-stop lang sa, okay, option A, ito na yung last option na bibigyan namin sa'yo to start a business, right? We, as a coaches, we are exhausting everything na meron kami na basta matulungan namin. Kasi ang goal naman talaga is to really to help each family na magkaroon ng supplement ng extra money to supplement the income. So you just really need to be honest and transparent to us na okay, ito yung kaya ko. Ito yung kaya kong ilabas na maluwag sa 'di ba? Na maluwag sa akin. Ito yung kaya kong i-invest or para sa startup cost. So from there, we'll work around it and then tutulungan ka namin. You really just need to communicate with us and open your mind na may option, may way, right? So before we proceed, Coach Joy, sa ating last question, I would just like to acknowledge some comments that we have here. So, Kuya Nems, we didn't change we changed the time ng live because we wanted to take this opportunity na i-interview si Coach Joy. And you're watching from Ontario, Canada. Hello, Kuya Nems. Exactly. We're here in the business for a solution to our life struggle. Nailed it. Correct. So, last question, Coach Joy, which I'm very excited to hear your your answer. What changed after you started the online business? Aside sa mga cheque mo.
Lagi ka nang excited pumunta sa mailbox.
Ang dami-dami. Unang-una ay okay, ganito ako ewan ko, ang sarap talaga matulog, no? Char. Lalo na dati ito pag maulan sa labas and very malamig, I hate it because struggle ako pupunta sa trabaho, right? Ngayon, oh my God, I enjoy it. Sana, makulimlim, I love it. You know what I mean? Like, lalo na pag malamig, ang sarap, mag-Netflix ako, magko-coffee. Now, I can enjoy my life and na-appreciate ko ng buhay. Noon, wala, kahit ang ganda na ng pero puro na lang nakikita ko problema.
Tama.
'Di ba? Puro kahit ang ganda na sana, pero problema kasi ang nasa utak ko Ngayon, na-appreciate ko na lahat. Meron na akong peace of mind. I can sleep whatever, how many hours. So, like, sabi ko nga, na-enjoy ko na ang coffee. So, ganun lang, no? Kasimple para sa akin, pero big impact. And then, on top of that, okay, ano ang nabago? Ang dami. Financially, we become debt-free. Okay? Wow. So, noon, sabi ko nga, kahit pang grocery namin, it become our luxury money. So, nahihirapan kami kahit $500 na pambili ng, may bibilhin kaming gamit na nasira na, paano, kailangan mag-finance, i-decline ka pa kasi ang pangit ng credit score. Oh my God, ayoko nang balikan. But right now, when we move to our house, lahat, binili namin cash yan.
Wow.
Diba?
Congratulations,
So,
Coach Joy.
thank you, thank you. So, imagine mo na lang, from living that one small bedroom apartment to living into 3-bedroom brand new home. So, ang dami talaga naming bibilhin. Diba? Ano bang
Yeah.
gamit meron kami noon? Libre naman yung lutuan namin at mayroong
Correct.
refrigerator at may washing machine. Hindi namin bitbitin yun pag mamayari ng apartment. So, we have to buy our own. So, lahat yan, guys, binili namin yan ng cash. So, why? Dahil meron kaming kita na. Kumikita ako dito sa online business. Sabi ko nga, yung mga income dito, sabi mo, even my husband before, it's too good to be true. Kasi sabi niya ganyan, yung income ng isang taon niyang pinagtatrabahoan, i-incomein lang ng isang business owner dito ng 1 month.
Correct.
At hihigitan pa. Di ba?
Correct.
So, although hindi pa naman ako doon, pero eventually all of us, we will get there, right?
Amen, yes.
Yeah, so, imagine mo na lang, and then from living that paycheck to paycheck, now we become financial debt free. I can now help my family back home more than what they need. Ang dami ko ng time sa asawa ko, 24/7. So, ano pa ba? So, it's just amazing how this business transformed my life. It's not just sa sarili ko, pati na rin ang pamilya ko sa Pilipinas. They are the one of the reason why I start this journey. So, yun nga yung lagi kong sinasabi na kung hindi mo man gagawin para sa'yo, gawin mo na lang para sa mahal mo sa buhay.
Correct. Thank you, Coach Joy, and congratulations again sa mga success mo and mga paparating pa na success mo.
Thank you, Coach
Definitely,
Janine. Parang nag-freeze. Ano si Coach Jania?
Oo nga, naghang siya. Sorry.
Okay, go. Go back, Coach. Okay.
So, yun. So, congratulations to your success and sa mga paparating pang success sa
Thank you,
business mo, Coach
sis.
Joy. And I can feel and I can sense kahit online, nararamdaman ko yung, alam mo yung liwanag sa mukha ni Coach Joy and yung energy niya, you know, yung energy niya, how happy she is with her life right now. And you know, whatever you're struggling right now, lahat tayo dumaan dyan. So lahat tayo dumaan sa struggle na yan. Pero there's end to that. Right? You really just need to take action. Kasi lahat kami na nandito na nag-start nitong business na to, dumaan kami lahat sa hirap. Pero ang difference natin is kayo nanonood lang, kami nag-take action. Right?
Yes.
So katulad sinabi ni Coach Joy, we are not yet there dun sa mga talagang mas marami pang blessing. We are not there yet, but we are working on it. And yun yung pinakamahalaga. We really need to work on it kasi as long as you are moving forward, definitely, di ba, kumaga, nagpo-progress ka sa buhay mo. Right? Sis Liz?
You will get there. Sabi nga ni Sis Joy dati, ayaw niya, pag nakikita niya yung mailman na nagdadala ng mga mail sa mailbox, kasi alam niya puro billings yun. Pero ngayon, alam niya marami siyang cheque doon. Kaya hindi naman yan nangyari lang ngayon. Pinaghirapan niya yan through the years. At hindi mangyayari yan if she didn't take a leap of faith. So, yun po. Thank you, Sis Joy.
Thank you, Coach Joy. And any last word or maybe you want to invite our audience for our live webinar tonight?
Yes, guys. To those of you na nag-follow kay Coach Jania or kay Sis Liz, hindi kayo mag-follow at hindi kayo nandyan sa page nila because wala kayong nakikitang opportunity. You are there because you made a decision. You decide to. You choose to. Then why still sitting on the fence? Dapat kasama ka na rin naming aangat. Diba? So, ganito lang po yun. Mindset is everything. So, kung patuloy kang ganito, ganyan, ganito, what if ito na pala yun, tapos hindi mo man lang sinubukan? Diba? Kasi sabi, kung itong business na ito, na it changed our life, thousands of people across the globe, earning successfully online, malay mo, ito na pala sana ang sagot sa dasal na matagal mo nang hinihintay, na lagi mong hinihindian kasi lagi kang patumpik-tumpik. Ngayon, ano na lang, kung hindi mo siya gagawin, kailan pa? Saan mo makikita yung sarili mo from 2 to 3 years from now? Still living in the same cycle of life, like living broke, still living paycheck to paycheck. You need to do something. So, para mabago po ang buhay natin. Kung hindi mo man gagawin ang business, o magtaya ka na lang ng luto, baka manalo ka, magbago pa ang buhay mo, di ba? But that's impossible. So, again, guys, this business, it's a life-changing opportunity. Guys, trust me. Hindi po ako professional, pero bakit ang kinikita ko dito ay more than pa sa mga taong professional. 'Di ba? Bakit? Dahil po 'yan sa amazing na system na ginagamit namin na we are going to help you to walk through in that system.
For sure,
So,
for sure. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, and if you're interested, maybe you're also watching Coach Joy or dumaan na siya sa Facebook mo, sa feed ninyo, then definitely feel free to sign up sa mga website namin. You can visit our page or you can directly message us and we'll be more than happy to give you more information about the business, right? So, salamat ulit, Coach Joy, for giving us
Thank you,
a
Joy.
bit of
Thank
information.
Sabi.
Congratulations. And
My
sa susunod
pleasure,
ulit,
guys.
Coach Joy. Salamat.
Thank you,
Coach
thank you,
Joy.
everyone.
Thank you, everyone. We'll see you again on
Bye.
Thursday. Bye.
Bye-bye.